What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about something that's kind of exciting, I guess, for some people. I do have Solana in my wallet. I have Solana in my crypto.com wallet. And I decided to buy 10 a while ago when it was around $66. And now it's sitting at about $80 plus, but in the last hour it has come back down. Now I wanted to make this video before it kind of reflips. But Solana just recently flipped XRP. And I want to talk about that flip and why that really isn't significant, and what it means for XRP or what it means for the crypto market in general. I feel like it does mean something that's pretty bullish, but we are seeing things that are coming back pretty heavily right now. And Solana is coming back a lot more than what XRP is coming back, but we're seeing the entire market that looks kind of red in the last hour. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about XRP really quick. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are also in the description. Now, if you guys want to start trading Solana on a newer platform, a platform to where maybe you only have to risk $100 and you could turn it into something that's a lot bigger, Margex is a great platform for you guys. If you want to start trading with this platform, you can trade up to 50x leverage with Solana, a 50x leverage with XRP, 100x leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you guys want to start trading on this platform, I definitely recommend it. I like leverage trading, and also I just like the platform in general. Even if you don't want to use a massive amount of leverage, you still can trade really well on this platform because it offers a lot of things like dynamic updating as you are using a certain cryptocurrency, or you see a certain cryptocurrency. You can also leverage other assets that you have and trade for Solana. So like I can leverage my BTC or leverage USDT or leverage XRP for Solana if I really wanted to. And, can end up making money and get paid back in XRP rather than paid back in Solana, which is pretty cool. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. The link will be at the top of the description. But if we look at the entire market, it's currently at a $1.63 trillion market cap. I believe it got to a $1.65 trillion market cap today. But we're seeing it up 3.2% overall. Bitcoin dominance is also up because that moved quite a bit. It's at 52.6%. If we scroll down here, Bitcoin is up 3% on the day. It was hovering around the 44, closing in on $45,000 mark. Ethereum, is up about 0.6%. You're seeing BNB that's up 2%. Solana is up 8% today. It's up to $80. I believe it got up higher than that, like the highest point that it did get to today. If I could check the last 24 hours, hopefully it gives me that. The last 24 hours, yes, it was $83, almost $84 that it did get to here. And you can see that right here. It resisted around the $84 mark, and now it's starting to pull back. It's starting to kind of pick up a little bit from that pullback. I guess it dropped all the way down to 78 and now is back up to about $80 or so, $81. So things definitely have moved quite a bit for Solana and Bitcoin, which we typically see those things move together and move pretty aggressively as they do move, and some other things might not move as much. Now XRP did move today, but it is down 1% in the last hour. But as you can see here, on the top 5, top 10 by market cap, you can see that Solana has flipped XRP, and XRP is no longer in that 5th position. And Solana has taken over currently at a $34.4 billion market cap, while XRP is sitting at a $33.3 billion market cap. BNB is up at the $39 billion market cap, so still solidly in 4th place, while you're including the stable coins. If you're not, BNB's in 3rd place, Solana's in 4th place, and then you would look at XRP in 5th place if you take out that stable coin. Now, XRP, I have no worries for XRP at all. I know some people would be like, oh, well, it flipped it. Solana is worth more. It's just better. Overall, the blockchain is just fantastic. I honestly know that XRP will be worth more than not only Solana, but also Ethereum, also BNB, also Bitcoin. That's what I have a feeling that it's going to be. XRP is just usable, it's secure, it's fast, it's efficient, it's just everything that you really want within a cryptocurrency, within a transaction based cryptocurrency, the ones that can flow through the banking system and be heavily used within the banking system. I feel like XRP is a no-brainer that it's going to be worth a lot more. So it's not anything you need to be worried about. For me, at least, I know it's not anything you need to be worried about. Now, if you wanted to be invested in a Solana and you missed your opportunity, then yes, you can be worried about that. But I'm not worried about Solana, just consistently overtaking different positions. Even though Solana is great and it overall has a lot of popularity, I still feel like XRP is just worth more. It's just better, and it will be worth more. But currently, we're seeing this up about 2%. It did increase to about 62.5 cents. You saw this decrease down to 60. Was it 60 or 61? 61 cents, currently pushing back up to about 62 cents. And hopefully it can push up a lot further. Hopefully this was just like a quick dip to kind of retrace off of those higher levels that we saw with Bitcoin and Solana. But with all the movement that we've seen, it makes sense why we would see a retracement. Now, again, it's at $33.3 billion market cap. You're seeing $1.3 billion worth of volume. Now, the volume to market cap ratio is lower. You're seeing it at 4%. I would love to see them go, hey, you know what? We're burning off the entire escrow, but I don't know if they'll technically do that. I think what they will do is, continue to offer it. Then they'll get to a certain point. Maybe it'll be 70 billion coins that's out there in circulation. They'll go, all right, the 30 billion coins, we're just burning off that escrow. That could be a possibility. Or they could introduce the entire thing. Even if they do introduce the entire thing, I still feel like XRP is worth a lot more than what you would expect. That's why I always gave that number of $10 to $20 for kind of that area to where I know it's going to get to a $500 billion to $1 trillion market cap. I firmly believe that a $1 trillion market cap is that level that it will get to and bounce off of as levels of support before it starts skyrocketing really to levels of multiple trillions of dollars once it does get fully implemented within different systems, whether that be, banking, within the banking system, or just being able to use it as standard transactions every day for everyday use, because it's fast. Like I've told many people, I've sent somebody XRP and it felt like it got there before I even hit the send button. Like that's how fast that was. It's super fast, super efficient, super secure. Like I don't really have to worry about that at all. The only thing we are worried about right now is Ripple versus SEC, which we still don't have a settlement for. Once we have a settlement, there's no flipping Ripple. Ripple will start flipping and will start ripping above a lot of these other projects and cryptocurrencies and blockchains, in my opinion. But let me know what you think. Do you feel the same way? Do you feel like XRP is worth a lot more than what we're seeing here today? Do you feel as though it expresses just a lot more growth potential than something like a Solana? Or do you feel like Solana is worth a lot more? Do you feel like Solana just gives more back to the cryptocurrency community and ecosystem and market, right? I feel like Solana has a lot of popularity, but I still feel like XRP has more popularity overall. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links being for Margex. If you guys want to start trading, you could trade Solana. You can also trade XRP if you want to. If you feel like XRP is better and moves a lot better, trade XRP. You can trade Solana. You can trade BNB. You can trade BTC. Everything that you really want to within like the top cryptocurrencies, you can trade. So go ahead and check that out. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.